Hi there. Have you ever noticed how self-doubt can affect absolutely everything? Sometimes when we think about something like imposter syndrome in our business, we feel that maybe we're not good enough in our business, that maybe we're not as good as everybody else who's out there on Facebook or whatever, or that we don't have enough skills or where we're going to start or whatever. But what we don't realize is that very often self-doubt is way more deep set than that. It affects everything. Yes, it affects our business, but how about your personal life? Does it affect how you show up for yourself in front of your friends or in front of your family? Um, are you a person who doesn't speak up? All of those kinds of things are always affecting personal life and business life, and you can address both of them at the same time. So come and join me. Stop self doubt.